Today is Funny Food Friday. And today's funny food is going to be a watermelon. So it's going to be like a big watermelon slice. I have my supplies already. I have my crayons. I have a Sharpie, but you can use a pen or a pencil or a marker. I have a piece of paper. And then I have my folder underneath just in case the marker bleeds through. So I'm going to have my paper be landscape again, and like the horizontal way. And let's get started. All right, so to make our watermelon, we need to make like a big U or like an upside down rainbow. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go all the way to there. So I just went from one side to the other. And then our watermelon is going to have like a straight line and it's going to stop right about there, maybe a little farther, because we are going to take a bite out of it. And our bite is basically going to be like a little cloud. I'm going to do like 3 little humps. So like 1, 2, 3. So that's the bite out of my watermelon. And then I'm going to draw a line to the other side. All right. After that, we are going to draw a nice big U again, all the way around, to make like the rind, like the peel part. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to work my way all the way up. So that's like the green part of our watermelon. And let's start working on the face. Let's see. Kind of in the middle, I'm going to draw like a line right here. That's actually going to be its mouth. And then next to it, I'm going to draw like a little curved line here, like a little bitty rainbow. And I'm going to do the same thing here, a little curved line there. And this is going to be the watermelon's eyes. I'm going to make a rainbow from here to here. A rainbow from here to here. All right, and then we're going to do a little circle here and a little circle here. And then we want to color in like not the circle. So this part here we want to color in. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing here. Let me see if I can even that out a little bit. There we go. All right. And let's make this mouth happen here. So our watermelon is going to have a nice long mouth. And so I am going to start actually right here. So I'm starting inside a little bit. And I'm going to make a nice big U shape that connects right there. Oh, that's going to be so awesome. And we're going to give it a tongue. So it's going to be like a little rainbow right here. Let's do it. There we go. And this part we're going to keep white, but this part we're going to color in. So let's get that going. Now remember, if you need to pause the video, you can, because sometimes I fast forward through things. So you might want to pause and get caught up. Oh my gosh, this is looking so cute so far. We're not even done. All right, this one I am going to give eyelashes to because I think it will be super cute. So I gave my eyelashes, just 2 little ones on each side. And then watermelons have seeds. So I am going to put, let's see, where am I going to put my seeds? I'm going to put one here. So seeds are kind of like a drop, teardrop shape. They're kind of small on top, wide, and small. So I'm going to put one there, and one there. I'm going to put 3 on this side, one there, and one there. And let's color those seeds in nice and bold. If you want to add a few more seeds, you can. I'm going to keep mine with 3 on each side. And now it is time to color it. boys and girls, so here is my funny food watermelon. I accidentally colored over the white parts of the eyes. I tried to get my white crayon to like lighten it up. It didn't quite work, so I went ahead and just made the other one match. It's okay to make mistakes. Our brain will grow. All right, guys, next week we'll have a new funny food for Friday. Stay gritty.